Master SEO in 30 days, a step-by-step plan. Let's address a common misconception. How often have you heard SEO takes years or SEO is complex? New websites rank higher monthly. The truth? SEO doesn't take years. It needs organization, persistence, and a clear plan. I'll guide you to master SEO in 30 days. No jargons, no confusion. Let's begin. Why people fail at SEO? Many struggle because they switch approaches, follow random advice, use outdated methods, give up too early. They lack a clear roadmap. You will be different. Embark on a 30-day SEO sprint. Week 1. Establish basics. Your initial week focuses on setup. No shortcuts allowed. This foundation is critical. Day 1 to 2, choose the right keywords. Effective keyword selection is essential. Research is crucial. Look for low competition, clear intent, relevance to your niche. Identify search phrases people use. Examples: best tools for small business. Beginner SEO tips. List at least 30 keywords. This sets your content roadmap. Day 3 to 4. Optimize website fundamentals. Focus on setup. Ensure you have clear titles, compelling meta descriptions, fast loading speeds, mobile-friendly design, simple navigation. User-friendly sites rank better. Address issues early. Day 5 to 7. Build core pages. Establish authority pages before blogging. Create about page, service or product page, main category pages. Every page targets a keyword. Be clear, helpful, and organized. Your site is ready to grow. Week 2. Create content that ranks. Content drives your SEO success. Day 8 to 14. Publish 5-7 articles. Provide valuable solutions. Each article should target a keyword, answer real questions, be readable and organized, use clear headings and short paragraphs, offer actionable tips. Your goal: provide more value than current rankings. Pro tip: focus on user intent. Consider, why is the user searching? To learn, to buy, to decide. Align content with intent. Week 3. Build authority and trust. Now amplify your content. Day 15 to 18. Internal linking strategy. Link your pages effectively. Direct readers between articles. This helps Google understand your site. It improves rankings. Day 19 to 21. Acquire backlinks. Obtain quality backlinks. Look for opportunities in guest posts and forums. Avoid spam. Trust is more powerful than tricks. Week 4. Optimize and scale. This is where growth happens. Day 22 to 24. Monitor rankings. Evaluate page performance. Identify improvements needed. Data guides your next steps. Day 25 to 27. Revise existing content. Update old posts. Add new examples. Updated data. Clearer explanations. Google favors fresh content. Small updates lead to big gains. Day 28 to 30. Create your SEO system. Establish routines. 1 keyword weekly, 1 article weekly, 1 backlink weekly, 1 update weekly. Consistency is key. The 30-day SEO strategy. Here's the plan. Week 1, basics. Week 2, content. Week 3, authority. Week 4, optimize. Repeat. No magic or shortcuts, just consistent execution. Expect more impressions and clicks. Month 1 leads to greater momentum. Follow the plan and execute diligently. Like and subscribe for more content. In digital business, traffic is power. SEO puts you in control.